Hey chicas, I am back with an updated head candy video. So I decided to try this brush again just to give you guys an update. As you can see, my hair is shorter because I did cut it. So yeah, I wanted to do an updated video to show you that even without the proper blow drying technique, this brush will work on your hair, because let me tell you something. I washed my hair, blow dried it messily. Is messily a word? I did a messy job on my blow dry, but the brush still did its thing. So there's not really much to say. You guys can just watch and see how the brush worked on my hair with this crap of a blow dry job, and that's about it. Just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the finished product of me using the brush. I really do like the way it came out. Yeah, I still have a few little frizzies there, but hey, we'll take care of all that. Okay, so now I am going to take these clip-ins that I made from Amber's Virgin Hair Company. This is the Brazilian Body Wave. I think this is an 18-inch. I'm not sure. You know what? It is an 18-inch. Brazilian Body Wave. I just created some clip-ins and colored a few sections. I don't know exactly how to say it, but I colored some one color and then I colored others another color. Or did I just bleach it? I don't know. I can't remember. I did it so long ago. But yeah, so I'm just brushing the curls out. And don't worry, when you wash it, the curls will come back in. But I'm brushing the curls out, and I'm just showing you how good the hair is now at this point. I'm taking the head candy straightening brush and I am brushing the hair straight. And as you can see, it's getting pretty straight with just a few passes. And of course, me having to hold it to get the top of the clip-ins straight is not doing so well for me. But anyway, so as you can see, I'm straightening the hair, and I am just going to take the darkest pieces to put on the back of my hair first, and then I'm going to go and do the same thing with the lighter pieces and apply those to my hair. Okay, so now I have all of the clip-ins in my hair. I am just going to take the head candy brush just to brush through everything to make sure that my hair blends in with the clip-ins. I used a little of this before I even started straightening my hair, but I'm taking a little bit more of this Bio Silk and I'm putting it on my hair just to give it a little bit of shine. But that is pretty much it. I'm just going to brush it a couple of more times with the regular brush, not the straightening brush, just to make sure that everything blends. correctly and make sure that I don't have any clip-ins falling out or loose back there. But again, I am going to put all the hair information down in the description bar if you want to order from Amber's Virgin Hair Company. There will be a link down below, but this is it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below to let me know if you like this look and if you think the hair that I colored matches with my hair, which I think it does. But anyway, so just leave me a comment and a like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye!